Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSpace and this is another weekly tech tip. Today's tech tip is about signing documents digitally using Zoho Sign and your CRM. Okay, so Zoho Sign is an app that's part of the Zoho One suite and it's very similar to DocuSign, so it allows you to upload your documents, add merge fields and then send them to your clients so that they can sign them digitally. And there's no need for them to print them off or scan them. Okay, so if we go into our CRM, I've already set up some Zoho Sign documents and connected Zoho Sign to the CRM. So I'll show you what's possible now. If we go to the right here, I'm on my contact. We go to these buttons here and click on Send with Zoho Sign. So this launches a pop-up, which is part of the Zoho Sign extension inside Zoho CRM. And then we can choose our templates. So these are the templates I've already set up inside Zoho Sign. So we'll choose the brochure copy sign-off form. Okay, and this loads that document for us. We'll click Next. Okay, and this sets the recipient, so it pulls the recipient and the name in from the contact in CRM. Then we'll click Continue. We get a preview of the document that's going to be sent to this client. You can see here in blue, these are the merge fields. So full name will be pulled from the contact in CRM. Signature will obviously be the signature for the client to fill in. Full name again will be pulled in from CRM, and then the sign date gets set automatically. Okay, then we click Send. Okay, so that document has been sent off to that email address and that client, so we can close that now. And now that's also stored on this contact record. So if we scroll down here to Zoho Sign Documents, okay, just refresh. Okay, and now we see under the Zoho Sign Documents, we've got two. So that's our new one there, the brochure copy sign-off form. We can see its status is there, out for signature, and the time that I sent it. And when that gets completed by the client, this will get updated to signed. You can see this old one here. With the date and the time as well. We'll also get an email notification, and we can do other things with Zoho where we can set up, say, notifications inside Zoho Click, or we can set up other automations based off that signature. So it becomes a really useful tool, and I think you'd find it very useful inside your business. So that's how Zoho Sign works, connected to Zoho CRM. I hope you found this tech tip very useful. And we'll see you next time.